What is happening? These children has left for the city for the past 10 years. Nobody is hearing from them. Their phone lines are switched off. What kind of a thing is this? I don't even know if they are dead or alive. What is that? What exactly is happening? The gods of our land.
That's it. That papaya. Where is it? That's it. Papa. Come here now.
Papa, I was inside.
You were inside.
Welcome, Papa. Yes, Papa.
You were inside. You know how to pussy me. No, you know how to pussy me. You were inside.
Yes, Papa.
Haven't you been noticing that there is problem in this house?
Papa, like, I have not noticed anything. What is wrong?
You've not noticed anything. In your own eyes, everything is okay.
Yes, Papa.
Your two brothers left for the city for the past 10 years. Nobody have heard from them. We don't even know if they are alive or dead.
God forbid. They are alive.
Oh, they are alive. They are alive. No
Papa,
problem.
Papa, don't you know that city is a tough place? They will have to make money, bring car home before they will come back. If Okolo and Nana, I get my brother, I know they are going to make money before they will come back.
Shut up there. Shut up with your sister, Hama Wagis. Town is a very big place. No, town is a very big place. That they will forget home. Oh, but no, who does that? I am asking you. I know they will be there carrying women. Who even know if they are still alive?
Papa, they are alive. Nothing happened to my brother.
They are alive. And they forget their father. They forgot home. Look at me. Look at me. How I'm dressing in rags. Papa, when I have two grown-up children.
It's okay. I will call Ikenna and Okolo to know why they have not come back.
You will call them?
I'll call them.
No problem. I will sit here and wait for them. I will be here and wait for them to return. If they are still alive, then I will know what will become of them.
Papa, if Okolo and Nana come back, Papa, they are going to buy many clothes for you. I'm telling you the truth. Just cool down. They are coming back very soon. Papa, it's okay.
I'm worried. Huh? What do you have in this house?
Papa, it's cool. Are you hungry?
Yes, I need something to.
Okay, no, Papa. So, what do you want? I'm going to no, Mama.
Hey, Ades, don't forget my gizzard. Don't forget my gizzard.
Oh, Papa.
Go. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Look at even this one. Look at her. She's wearing ball shorts in my before. I don't even understand any of my children anymore.
Charles.
J-Bot.
Charles, you decided not to pay me my money. For how long you have been owing me now? Every time you'll be telling me next week. Charles, what did I do to you?
Do you know the problem? After finishing this work now, you just take your money inside and you give me the remaining money.
Charles, now like this way you talk now. Now like this way you open your mouth talk now. Now you talk last week. After that work, you can't tell me say next week. Charles, if you don't give me my money now, me and you will get problem for here. Every time you have been telling me next week.
Let's conclude this thing now. This money. Next week I will give you your money.
My God will punish you then. If you are here next, talk less of week, I will come out this your neck, this your head now. Come out for your shoulder now. Every time you be telling me next week. Charles, there you go get problem. You know, thank God say na me call you this work. Thank God say na me call you. After this work I dey collect my money. Every time you will be hearing next week. You just say I don't get what I go use my money do. Charles, If you finish this work, you go give me my money.
I know they call you for work.
Charles.
I know they call you last week work. I not call you.
Yeah, who they do who call each other work? You are who? No. You are who? Me and you now. Okay, me and you don't do ton because say me and you are the follow you call drafts. Me, I the follow you call that. You go to look down on me, Abi. That me and you go get problem. Oh. Charles, me and you go get problem. Oh. After this work, I dey collect my money, jeje. Because say I leave city, come here, come and grade myself the clear bush. Here as you dey so now, if you see me for road for city, you go fit talk to me.
You a villager.
Eh? Okay, they call me village man, Abi. You go come. Anyway, sir, I don't get too much talk, Charles. Me will finish this work. I go collect my money from there. Thank God, say na me they go pay.
Come on, let's do work. Next week I'll give you your money.
No, I don't tell you finish. Me will finish work there. Me will finish work there. To get my money, no be wahala. No wahala.
Nothing. This village boy.
So God will punish you there. Me will finish work. Ada now. Ada, I've been calling you right from there. Ada, didn't you hear me?
J-boy, what is it? Why are you following me around? Do I owe you?
Ada, see, you didn't owe me, but you see, Ada, I love you so much. Ada, I love you so much. Accept me now. Me with the wrong things for this village. Look at me now. Am I not man enough for you? Eh?
J-boy, wait. I don't have time for all these village boys. I don't have time. Do you have anybody in the town?
Hey, Ada, you don't come again with this your time issue. Yeah, you go to talk, you go to tell me town people. Eh? Is it because I did this village with you? Very soon I go town, no? Very soon I go town. Eh? Accept me who the wrong things. Just tell me town every time.
Wait, see. 2 of my brothers are in the town. Very soon they will come back. That is the type of boys I need, not village boys like you.
Eh? I mean, every time you compare me with your brothers who dey town, eh? Because I dey follow you talk. See me now. Am I not man enough for you? God punish you there. Come on for year, Joe.
Well, this one engineer have not come. It's like this engineer no one will do this work. Hungry don't wire me. I don't get shin buy for house.
Yeah, even you just they come now and say just the rent. Yeah, I don't dey here for almost 1 hour. This man never come. And because say I need money, now make I won't come do this filling work. You remember say I tell you say I need money, but I even wrong 1 or 2. Now make I just dey here since they wait for this man. This man just keep person there. But guy, that one no be waiting they bother me now. Say, guy, you waiting they worry me. This yesterday, guy, I no sleep. I just reading this thing, I no sleep.
Waiting they worry you every time. Something they worry you. Waiting they worry you this time around.
Yeah, you don't understand. You know, Adezena, that Nana Okuru sister.
Ah! That friend that year when they follow, they do
Yes,
hard job.
yes,
You know, say na hard job
yes,
with things abuse that.
Guy, can you believe that this girl gave me the insult of my life yesterday? I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this.
So what's happen? What's happen?
Guy, nothing much, you. Just because I told her that I love her. Yesterday, I saw her walking down from that supermarket. She went to buy something. She was coming down. I stopped her. I told her that I love her. That I want us to be, doing things now. You understand? Running things together. The girl begins to insult herself, telling me that I'm a village champion. That she don't do things with village guys. That is only guys that is from city that I do things with. Eh? Can you just imagine? Begin to insult me. Let me say I'm a village champion. I nearly beat her yesterday. Guys.
But you're supposed to know that you're a village champion. You see the kind of job you are doing. But
guy, you know, guys.
Wait, let me tell you.
Which one be village champion? Am I not too enough for her? Am I not enough for her?
But in focus, you know, say Ada, Nnamdi and this guy, my friend. Why you couldn't?
And so what, guy? Is that a rough reason for me not to enjoy Adeze? Who is Adeze? Adeze office today. I know they talk this kind of thing. They talk as if you know my friend, guy. Who is Adeze?
Me, I don't tire. This your talk, self. You know they give me joy. Now they work, self. You know go ahead. Mo go take on colors abeg there. Mo just.
I never talk. Man,
Mo go there. Mo just collect.